Hello students. Now this is the first video in the light topic. The topic is reflection of light. The first point comes out, what is the light? Actually, light is the form of energy and the branch of science which deals its sources, propagation, effect, vision is called optics. Generally, optics is divided in two parts: geometrical optics and physical optics. What is the geometrical optics? It treats propagation of light in terms of rays. Always you remember, in terms of rays. Rays means like this, especially rectilinear propagation. Now question comes, what is the meaning of rectilinear propagation of light? Generally students knows that light travel in a straight line, but actually this not be happening. It seems to be light traveling in a straight line. Now with the help of diagram I think you can understand better. This is the diagram of rays, this is the wave, and for the rectilinear propagation of light, it is a necessary condition when the wavelength of light is very small, very small, then it seems to be propagate in a medium in a straight line like this. Like this, student. Now what is the difference between this and this? This is the complete one cycle and this distance is known as the wavelength. Look here, this is one complete cycle and wavelength is very small. That's why when the wavelength is very small, it propagates in a straight line, and this is the first concept in the light. Okay. Geometrical optics explained by the two laws of reflection and laws of refraction. After that, now comes in the physical optics. Physical optics divided into two parts: wave optics and quantum optics. Physical optics divided into two parts: wave optics and quantum optics. In wave optics, the light propagate in a medium like a wave, like this. And when the light propagate in a medium like a wave, its nature is transverse nature. Always you remember, students, when the light propagate in a medium, its nature is transverse wave. Transverse means having the crust and trough, okay. After that, it is explained by some phenomena like diffraction, refraction and polarization. Is it clear, everyone? Quantum optics, this is the first one. And quantum optics, light is concerned with the very small packet of energy which is known as the photon. The small packet of energy which is known as the photon, and explained by the phenomena like photoelectric effect, Raman effect and laser. Word is the laser. So three, and photon is represented by like this. This is a symbol of photon. This is the photon. This is the wave and this is the rays. So actually now our light is divided in three, mainly the two parts, geometrical optics and physical optics. Physical optics two parts divided, wave optics and quantum optics. Is it clear everyone? After that, when light travels in space, its nature is electromagnetic nature, electromagnetic wave. So all the concept of all the features of the electromagnetic wave exist by the light also. Very simple. I mean the very important point, when light propagate in a space, it does not deflected by electric field and magnetic field also. It comes out, and it is possible when this is propagation of light. Suppose this is the electric vector and this is the magnetic vector. So this is the electric vector. When these three are mutually perpendicular, it means light is not deviated in electric field and magnetic field. Is it clear? Next point, in a spectrum, the electromagnetic wave lie between, which is called light, ultraviolet, infrared to ultraviolet region, like this. Wavelength is 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom, and color is Vibgyor, violet, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. You can learn like this way: 4000, 4500, 5000, 5500, 6000, 6500 and 7000, like this. Is it clear? In this region, in a spectrum, light exists between 4000 angstrom to 5000 angstrom. Okay. Now, our eye, especially in this region, 4000 to 7000, there are infinite colors, but our eye can distinguish 6 color only: violet, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This is a very important point, always you remember and note down also. After that, sensitivity of eye with the wavelength. Sensitivity of eye. Sensitivity of eye is most sensitive for yellow green color, and from the both side it is the minimum at the yellow color and the red color. It's a very important point, always you remember this also, student. After that, the next point comes out: persistence. of eye. The word is persistence of eye is only 1 upon 10 second, 0.1 second. What is the meaning of this? If the time interval between two successive light pulse is less than 0.1 second, it means I cannot be separate the two pulses. It is the meaning of this. Is it clear? And that's why LED tube light always we are looking that glowing continuously, but it's not be happening. Actually, the pulse, two successive pulse time interval is less than 0.1 second. Therefore, our eye can not be distinguished between the two pulses. Similarly, resolving limit. Resolving limit means of eye is 1 minute. Resolving limit of eye is 1 minute. If the two objects are placed at the d distance and they sustain at angle hour at retina, theta means angle less than 1 minute, our eye cannot be separate distinctly the two objects. This is the meaning of the resolving limit of the eye also. One more thing, next point. The speed of light in the free space, which is c, does not depend between relative motion between source and observer. What is the meaning of this? V plus minus c is equal to c. I mean, the speed of light is independent between relative motion between source and observer. Okay. After that, students, we discuss about here the some special terms also, like isotropic. Isotropic means, wait a minute. Isotropic medium. What is the isotropic medium? Speed of light. If the speed of light is same in all direction in a medium, such medium is called isotropic. Example is water and glass. Example is water and glass. What is the meaning of isotropic? If the speed of light is same in all direction in a medium is only one, like water and glass, that such medium is called isotropic. Next, anisotropic. Anisotropic. If the speed of light is different in all direction in a medium, such medium is called an isotropic medium. Example is calcite or quartz. Calcite or quartz. Quartz, quartz. Okay. After that, the light which is having single wavelength is called monochromatic, while white light is called heterochromatic. Single wavelength light is called monochromatic, and the white light which consists, which having the different range of the wavelength, is called heterochromatic light. But there is one more difference in the advanced level. In monochromatic, definition is given that there is only single wavelength of light, but actually not. There is one more wavelength. There at least two wavelength of light is called the monochromatic. Okay. Visibility. How to Any object is visible in our eye due to scattering of light in all direction. Always remember, visibility means it is happening due to scattering of light in all direction. Scattering word, scattering of light. Up there is just some more terms is used. Self-luminous, light is emitted by the own self, like the sun. Non-luminous, light does not emitted by the source, book, moon, there etc. There is some more terms. सर इसको बंद करिए जरा से, बताइए कैसे, थोड़ा सा तो मैं कहा